Welcome back to the channel, and we're back again with our next update on the whole Amz Doge situation. So again, remember the normal disclaimer here on the channel that nothing in this video is financial advice. Please always do your own research and only invest what you are willing to lose. Again, I would not advise anybody to invest into Amz Doge even if you were looking at it currently, because again, the withdrawal situation is still not working. And to be honest, it's not looking very promising for the whole situation entirely. So, of course, the news tab, we have no new updates from Amz Doge. We initially had this post about their financial situation, basically saying there was a debt crisis, etc., a lot of fear and panic, and that users should have been able to start withdrawing 3% of their principal per day from Friday the 17th. So, it has been 5 days since this, since the date, and 7 days since this announcement post, and we still have not seen any withdrawals. Again, if I go over to my withdrawals, we can see still awaiting review. I guess it's not been rejected, but it's been awaiting review for 5 days now. I feel like it's probably not going to come through. So if you take a look on Twitter for Amz Doge, people again are basically just posting the company details, and of course they're not happy. They're tagging Magic Johnson and tweeting out, of course, the scam, etc. So we do have, of course, the Amz Doge company page. Again, I'm sure probably somebody, or there'll be a community post to try and tackle this once you know for sure that the funds are gone. But we have a registered office address, which by the looks of it is just in an apartment tower in London. I had a few people saying they might even go to look at the address, but again, it's literally just a skyscraper, so I don't think you're going to find much there. I feel like the thing to look at here is the people behind the company, whereas we have Wang Changpeng, who was the initial company director who formed the company and then resigned a month after. He seems to be the founder of Amz Doge, or behind the company, and then Christian Jason is now the active director. However, he only joined after Wang Changpeng did leave the company. But aside from the company stuff, we actually have some updates on the funds. So, of course, there has been this initial Ethereum wallet address that I have been tracking for a while. Pretty much all of the funds on the Ethereum chain from the various wallets Amz Doge were holding got sent to this, and it was about 1.4 million in this one wallet, and then it got sent to 2 separate wallets. So both of these were holding 860,000 USDT, which you saw in my prior video. However, one of the wallets we can see has moved all of those funds again, so I guess this is our kind of next lead. So if we actually go on to the wallet they sent the funds to, we can see 3 transactions in the last 16 hours. First, they sent $5 from what looks like the original account, probably just a test transaction or something. That's probably what they've done before sending, of course, the fullback $863,000. And then they sent $2.90 in BUSD, which this transaction here, I'm quite confused by. Again, it was an hour later. And if we look at the wallet that sent the BUSD, we can see that it was, this wallet was first used 128 days ago to receive the BUSD from a Coinbase wallet. So a user of Coinbase has done a withdrawal to this wallet, and then from this wallet to the wallet now, which of course has all of the funds in this wallet here. So that was interesting. And also if I look at Ethereum transactions here, we can see 5 days ago, they received some Ethereum, which I'm not sure what this wallet even is from either. By the looks of it, I can't really track that one. But we have a new wallet which has received 3 BUSD from that old wallet. And of course we can see here, they also received some Ethereum from what looks like the same large wallet. So they've transferred the funds pretty much from this singular wallet holding all of the funds over to the brand new wallet, which now of course is sat on the 863,000. But they've got an extra bit of BUSD, which I can't wrap my head around why they have the BUSD. Maybe they just fancy sending it over, or they're trying to pin it on the other user's Coinbase account. I'm not really too sure. But again, until they either try to cash it on an exchange or chuck it through Tornado, we don't really know the true intentions. But we've had some movements. Again, the other users' funds, if I go back, it was one of these wallets. We can see, yeah, the other users' funds are still sat in this first wallet. They received it 2 days, 15 hours ago, and haven't done anything with the funds yet. Again, this could be the same person. This could be 2 people. This could be the whole Amz Doge team. We don't really know. Maybe it's those 2 people behind the company. Again, well, there was the old director from China. Now we have a new director. Maybe it's both of them. Again, people were theorizing or theory crafting, saying that it could be the 2 founders splitting their profits. We don't really know. But as soon as there are updates, I will keep you guys all in the loop and up to date. Oh, I didn't know you can actually have messages on the blockchain scout. I've not seen this before. That's quite different. But yeah, the funds, one wallet haven't moved, and the other wallet, they basically just moved over to another wallet for no real reason. It's not as if it makes much difference because it's just easy to track. It's been sent. It's on the blockchain, so we can see everything until either they Tornado cash it, which of course you can't track that. And at that point, we will know that the funds are gone. But technically, me personally, I've lost hope. The withdrawals, I do not think we're getting. Like, if we would have gotten the withdrawals, I'm sure they either would have given us an update, or some withdrawals would have gone through, because it has been over 5 days since they claimed the withdrawals would start, and 7 days since they actually started stopping the withdrawals on Amz Doge. So, unfortunately, I think the funds are gone. Now, I guess it's just tracking down where they're going and maybe getting information behind the founders. Again, I'm not a detective or a private investigator. I wish I had those skills. But I can try and track the funds on the blockchain, which maybe, I guess, somebody who is more advanced than me can take these findings and maybe track down the owners. Since Amz Doge was a registered company, though, I feel like it is pretty hard for them to run off with the funds without being prosecuted. But I don't know, it's all crypto. It's I feel like it's hard. There could have been fake identities, etc. I don't really know how deep it all goes because we don't have, for example, like a full docs of the Amz Doge founders. But I'm sure we can try and get some details of them if they do, well, have done just a full runner with the funds. But that's today's update. I will keep you guys up to date tomorrow if I do get any extra details. Let me know if you have found out anything you want me to cover in the next one, or if you have any questions. But thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.